Let's go to page 11, and let's start with 11a. Okay, so you have 11 minus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Okay, so you can just go from left to right because the addition and subtraction are same level. But when you have a whole bunch of numbers, the quicker way would be just going to combine the like terms, so like positive with a positive, and this will equal to 16. And then you do the negative with a negative. Okay, so this will give you minus 5. Again, because they are same type, so same sign, you just add the numbers together and you keep the sign. Okay, and then from here it will equal to 11. Okay. Okay, let's go to 11b. You have 11 minus 3 plus 5 minus 2. So follow it through. Okay, so you have to do the grouping first. So it would be 11 minus, so the 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, and then from here, again, you can just combine the like terms first because addition and subtraction are same level. So you can go and do this first, combine this first. Okay, so this will equal to 11 minus 10, and this will equal to 1. Okay, so this is a little bit quicker because when you have the same signs, it's easier to combine. Okay. Let's go to 11c. You have 11 minus parentheses 3 plus 5 minus 2. Okay, so this will equal to, so you have to work this part first. And again, you can do the same thing. You can combine the like terms first. So you can do the positive with the positive. So this will give you 8. Okay, and then after you can figure out this part. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. And then 11 minus 6 will equal to 5. Okay, let's go to the next one. 13a. You have 3 times 8 plus 4 times 5. So you have additions and multiplication. So you have to do multiplication first. And you have to go from left to right. So 3 times 8 will give you 24. 4 times 5 will give you 20. And now you can do the addition, so equal to 44. Okay, 13b. Okay, you have 3 times 8 plus 4 times 5. So you have multiplication and a group. So you have to do the group first. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, and now you can go and multiply. Now, whenever you have a 5, it's easier if you multiply the 5 with the even numbers. Again, multiplications are commutative and it's associative. So you can do any order you want. So this would become 3 times 60, and this would become 180. Okay, so this is a little bit easier to multiply. But you can multiply this first, make it into 36, and then multiply by 5. That's fine too. Okay, 13c, you have 3 times parentheses 8 plus 4 times 5. So again, you have to do the grouping first. And in the group, you have the multiplication and addition, so you have to do the multiplication first. Okay, so this you have to do this first, so it will be plus 20. Okay, and then you have to finish up your grouping, so it will be 3 times 8 plus 20 would be 28. And now you can multiply, you get 84. Okay. Next one. Okay, number 15. You have 6 minus bracket 7 minus parentheses 5 minus 2 parentheses bracket. Okay, so you have a whole bunch of grouping symbols. So you have to do the parentheses. You have to start from the inside and you work your way out. And so you copy everything, so you line everything up. So that will cut down a lot of careless mistakes. So 5 minus 2 will give you 3. So once you complete the operation, then you can go and drop the grouping symbol. And this becomes 6 minus. So 7 minus 3 will give you 4. And then this will equal to 2. Okay, number 17. You have 2 to the 3 plus 1 over 2 to the 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is your grouping symbol. So you have to do the top group and the bottom group separately. So on the top group, you have the exponent and addition. So you want to do exponent first, so it become 2 to the 3 is 8, 2 to the square, 2 to the 2 is 4. Okay, so then after that you do the addition and subtraction for each group. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 4 minus 1 is 3, and then from there you can go and simplify this equal to 3. Okay, number 19. Yeah, 1/3 times absolute value of 1 plus 7 squared over 5 squared. Okay, so you have to do the you have to work this again. This is acting as a grouping symbol, so you can do the group first. So you have to simplify the inside. So and inside you have addition and exponent. So you have to do exponent first. So it'll be 1 plus 7 squared is 49. Okay, 5 squared is 25. And then you have to simplify the inside. So 1 plus, so again, this is a separate group. So you have to finish up the group on the top. So 1 plus 49 is 50. Okay. And so you can simplify that. So this is 1, 2, right? So it'd be 2. So absolute value of 2 is equal to 2. Okay. And so your answer would be equal to 2 over 3. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have 64 divided by 4 squared plus 3 times 3 squared minus 1. Okay, so again, you have to do the grouping first. So this is equal to 64 divided by, well, you can go and work out the exponents already. Okay, so it'd be 16 plus 3 times 3 squared is 9. Okay, and then again you have to wait on this part. Now 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So it becomes 3 times 8, right? This means multiplication. Okay, so now you have division, you have the multiplication, addition. So you have to do multiplication, division first. Okay, so do this division, you get 4. Do this part of it, you get 24. And then you can add this together, give you 28. Okay, number 23. Okay, you have 3 cubed inside the bracket minus 2 cubed plus 2 square parentheses bracket divided by 5. Okay, so you have to work start from inside to work it out. Okay, so and since it's kind of separate, so you can kind of do, like multitasking. So you can do this too. Okay. Okay, so 3 cubed is 27 because this is by itself, so you can do that. Okay, 2 to the 3 is 8. 2 squared is 4. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is 12. And now you can work out the group on the inside. So this will give you 15 divided by 5, and this will equal to 3. Okay. So you can make sure you go down step by step and try to line up as much as you can so you can cut down a lot of careless mistakes. Okay, number 25. Okay, you have x equal to 3, y equal to 2, and z equal to 5. And you have 2x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, so to evaluate, you need to substitute, so put all this in here. And when you're doing the substitution, just do substitution only. Okay, so cut down mistakes. So x equal to 3. So again, don't do anything else, just do substitution and you put in the parentheses. So then now you go and work it out. So this becomes 2 times 9 plus 3 minus 2. So you have to put the multiplication symbol over here because once you drop that, if you don't put it in there, it looks like 29, right? Okay, so you have to do the multiplication first. And now you can go and addition and subtraction are same level, so you have to go from left to right. So you have to add this first, so it becomes 21 minus 2, and this will give you 19. Okay. Okay. And 27, so same thing, you got x equal to 3, y equal to 2, z equal to 5. And 27, you have yz minus x parenthesis cube. Okay, so let's go ahead and put all this stuff inside. So it'll be 2 times z is 5 minus x is 3. And so you have to watch this. So this is this one here. Okay, so this is that and to the cube. Okay, so now you can work out. So this is a multiplication, so you have to do multiplication first. So 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so now you can drop the parentheses once you kind of work on it. And so this becomes 7 to the 3 power. And you go and multiply, it gets 343. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so again, x equal to 3, y equal to 2, z equal to 5. And you got 4z cubed over x squared minus y squared. Okay, so you can substitute everything. So you got 4. And again, this means multiplication, so you might want to put a asterisk over here. Z equal to 5 to the 3 power. X is 3. Y is 2. Okay, so now I can work out your exponents. So this becomes 4 times 125, and this is 9 minus 4. And so this is equal to, and if you notice, you don't want to multiply out because notice you can cancel. So if you do this, notice this is equal to 5, and this is 4 times 125. Okay, so if you want to multiply out, that's fine, but you don't have to. You can just, okay, you know what, that's going to multiply since you have that already. Because this number is not too bad. So you multiply, you get 500, and you divide, you get 100. Okay, okay, let's go to number 31. Okay, so you can x equal to 3, y equal to 2, z equal to 5. Okay, and number 31, you have x plus z over y minus x plus y over 2z. Okay, so substitute everything. So you got 3 plus 5 over 2 minus 3 plus y is 2 over 2 times z is 5. Okay, so go and work it out. So this will give you 8 over 2. This will give you 5 over 10. And then again, you can reduce, simplify. So this is equal to 4. This is equal to 1/2. And so 4 minus 1/2, if you make into common denominator, okay, so common denominator is 2, right? So it becomes 8 over 2. So sometimes it may not good idea to reduce. Sometimes you might want to look ahead. So this is equal to 7 over 2. Okay, because sometimes if you reduce, you end up have to get common denominator again. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so you can get x equal to 3, y equal to 2, z equal to 5. So number 33, you got x, y, z over x minus y plus z to the 4th power. Okay, so substitute everything in there. So you got 3 for the y, 3 for the x, 2 for the y, 5 for the z, and you got 3 minus 2 plus 5. And this whole thing to the 4th power. Okay, so let's go and work the bottom first. So 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 5 will give you 6. Okay, and notice again that's why you want to kind of think ahead. So notice a 6 and there are 3 2, right? So you got 3 times 2 times 5. So you can kind of cancel. Okay, so it's kind of nice. So you don't want to multiply out and to go kind of doing double work. So this becomes 5 to the 4th power, and so this will give you 625. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so again, x equal to 3, y equal to 2, x equal to 5. And this one you have z squared. So you got z squared minus parentheses x squared minus y squared over 3y squared z. Okay, so substitute everything. So z, this is a z. So z equal to 5, x equal to 3, y equal to 2. And you got 3 times y squared be 2 squared. Z is 5. Okay, so substitute. Now you can go and work things out. So let's go and do the exponent first. So 5 squared is 25. And this would be 9 minus 4. And over here would be 3 times 4 times 5. Okay, but don't multiply out yet because you may be able to cancel something out. So this becomes 25 minus 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. You can multiply if you want to, but I'd rather to wait because I know I can cancel things out. So 25 minus 5, I get 20. Okay, and see 4 and 5 is 20, so this can cancel out. So answer would be equal to 1 over 3. Okay, number 37, you got a equal to 6, b equal to negative 2, and you have 2 times absolute value of a plus absolute value of b. Okay, so this becomes 2 times absolute value of a is 6 plus absolute value of negative 2. Okay, so first let's take care of absolute value. So absolute value of 6 would be equal to 6. And absolute value of negative 2 would be positive 2. Okay, and you have to do multiplication before you do addition, so this becomes 12 plus 2, and this will be equal to 14. Okay, number 39. You have absolute value a squared minus absolute value of b squared. Okay, so substitute, so a is equal to 6. B equal to negative 2. So again, you have to work out the absolute value first before you square it. So this will equal to 6 squared minus, again, negative 2 absolute value is equal to 2. Okay, so again, absolute value means make it to positive. So you get 36 minus 4, and you will get 32.